Hello, my name is Josh, and welcome to another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I am going to show you how to restore files you accidentally deleted on a Windows PC device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your desktop. On the desktop you're going to have all of your icons, and you're going to want to find one called the recycling bin. It's going to have an icon of a trash can. So you're going to want to open that by double-clicking it. And here you're going to see a list of all the files that you have deleted recently. You're going to find the one that you want to restore, click on it, and then you're going to want to right-click it and click Restore. This will put the file back in the location from where it was deleted from originally. So in my case, the file is right back in my Pictures folder. And there you go. Hopefully you were able to follow along easily. If it was too fast or too slow, please let us know. And if you need more personalized support, you can fill out a flyer with your name on it and we will give you a call back. You can watch these videos at your own pace by visiting our website, SFTFS.org, and you can click the Visit Our YouTube button on the top of the page. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week.